Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can log into multiple Roblox accounts. If you ever wanted to play on your main and also your alt account at the same time, here I'm going to show you the safest and easiest way to manage multiple Roblox account. So what you need to do here, once you open Roblox, you can just go to the more menu, and then here you can just scroll down until you found the options to switch accounts. So if you want to add another account, you can just click on add account and choose login to existing account if you already have one, or create new account if you don't. So if you already have an account, here you can log in using your emails, username and phone number, and also enter your password. Or you can also using a quick sign in option by email, send an email, a one-time code, and also use the quick sign in option. You can use QR code and also code to enter, and after that you'll be successfully signed in. So when you do that, and if you want to switch in between account, just click on switch account and choose the other account that you want, and it will be switched automatically like this. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.